The Kalba Ice Factory has a long and interesting history. It was once used to produce and store ice, serving as an important industrial facility for the region. The building has large spaces, high ceilings, and strong concrete walls. These details show its industrial past clearly. Walking through the factory, it is easy to imagine the work that happened here and the people who used it every day. The factory still has a strong industrial feel, but now it is also a space for art. Many artworks are displayed inside, adding color, ideas, and meaning. The combination of the old industrial building and modern art makes the factory unique. It is a place for thinking, learning, and feeling inspired. Some artworks are based on the concept of tanah air, a Malay word combining land and water. It expresses a poetic idea of home and belonging. These pieces ask questions about borders and places and how people feel connected to a place or separated from it. One important artwork is plated with silver. It shows coastal landscapes and includes sounds of local fishermen and traders moving goods across the water. This work shows how local knowledge and traditional practices can move freely across boundaries. It highlights that art is not only for looking at, but also for understanding culture, history, and human life. Works by Nabil El Makhloufi, including The Consideration, Night Veil, and The Approach, focus on migration, alienation, and identity. Water is used in these paintings to connect the figures and show moments of reflection. These artworks make viewers think about human experiences, movement, and relationships. Marwan Rechmaoui's works, like Lebanon by the Sea and Monument for the Living, explore maps, architecture, and urban change. He uses cement, beeswax, and brass wires to show how land and borders can shift over time. These works reflect the transformation of the factory itself from an industrial site to a space for contemporary art. Another artwork is Jompet Kuswidananto's Kerancang Concordia. This installation uses video, music, and objects to explore politics, colonialism, and identity. It shows how music and culture can preserve voices silenced in history. These works show that the Kalba Ice Factory is not just a building, but a space for learning, reflection, and cultural connection. Every detail inside the factory adds to the experience. The lighting, angles, textures, and placement of artworks create a rich environment. The contrast between the industrial past and contemporary art makes the space engaging and unique. Visitors can explore, observe, and feel the story of the place. The Kalba Ice Factory demonstrates how old buildings can gain new life through art. It shows how spaces can change meaning over time. Art here encourages thinking about land, water, culture, and human experiences. It also shows how creativity can transform places, giving them new purpose and energy. In conclusion, the Kalba Ice Factory is more than an old industrial building. It is a journey through history, creativity, and art. The factory tells stories about land, water, and belonging. It inspires reflection and curiosity. Art transforms the space and changes the way people see and understand it. It is a place where the past and present meet, and where learning, creativity, and inspiration continue together.